Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I created fall inspired makeup tutorial. Use the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So without further ado, stay tuned and yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so first things first, Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Honey, only because I love to put this as my base for my shadows. I just feel like they pop so beautifully with this underneath, or this being my eyeshadow primer, if you will, but you guys can use an actual primer. I just really prefer a good concealer under my shadows. And just taking this Real Techniques beauty sponge, I'm just going to blend that all out on my lids. I prefer my beauty sponge to always be a tad bit damped because I feel like it blends it out so much better. Like, you guys, look at that. Like, my shadows are about to pop. I hate doing my face first and then my eyes. I was like, you guys can see that. But it's okay, we're gonna get back into this video. Always remember, just wing it out. Once our lids are primed with our concealer or our eyeshadow primer, whatever the case may be, I'm going into the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going to be taking this golden ochre shade right here and just adding that to my crease. And I'm just taking Real Techniques base shadow brush. You guys already know I love this brush. I say that in every single video, but you guys have no idea. I am obsessed with Real Techniques brushes. So we're just going to run that on the tops of our crease, just so that be the transition shade. I'm so everywhere. Just so that like, really. And just blend windshield wiper motion back and forth. Yeah, one thing about this palette that I dislike is definitely the fallout. But the shadows are amazing, you guys. Like, F the fallout. Like, don't even worry about the fallout. That's something that you can easily clean up. But these pigments, oh my goodness. I can't believe, like, I'm already hitting pan in that one shadow. Like, that's definitely my go-to transition shade. And just have a very, very light hand. If you're digging deep, then of course it's not gonna blend out the way you want it to. I had to learn that the long, hard way, okay? Like, I was out here looking hella whoa. But shout out to all the people who actually gave a fuck, right? Like, the ones who cared so much about what my makeup looked like. Look at this upgrade, girl. Look at this upgrade. You like it? I know. I appreciate you. Next, we're just gonna go into this Venetian red shadow right here. Just a beautiful burgundy with little specks of purpley blue glitter in it. I don't know if it's just me and I'm seeing it, but I'm with it. Taking a BH Cosmetics angled brush, I'm just going to pack on that Venetian red. So the outer V of my eyes, very light-handedly going into the crease and dragging it up. Once that shadow is blended out and diffused, like, I feel like it takes over the entire lid. Like, I'm here for it. So this is what your lids should look like. I was gonna say your eyelids should look like, but I mean, I guess that could have worked out too, huh? I get so nervous filming and I don't even understand it still to this day, but I be so confident in front of this camera. Like, how, Sway?
How, Sway?
How? So next, I'm just gonna go into red ochre, which is this burgundy matte shade here, just to deepen my crease up. So we're talking autumn, okay? We gotta be blending in with the leaves that fall from the trees. I'm fucking weird. So going back into the base shadow brush by Real Techniques, we're just gonna go into that red ochre and deepen our crease. I find that, like, looking down towards my mirror like this helps me get into that crease and deepen it more, and helps me blend it out because I have really really huge lids. You guys tell me this a lot, and I'm learning to work with what I got because, girl, I got all this space on these lids. We going in, okay? So now we're just gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape concealer with a little brush, and as you guys can see, I already have some product, and we're going to create our half cut crease. I don't know about you guys, but I can't be without this half cut crease. So once our lids are cleaned up, well, that half cut crease is all cleaned up, we're just gonna go into Tempera, which is this shadow right here. I always want to say it in Spanish, like tempera. I don't know, it just sounds so, you know, physical, and so lightly packing that on. I'm just going in with a random brush from Wish that I had got and just packing that shadow on. You guys see the difference that it makes? Like, oh my goodness. So on the side of that shadow that we just placed, I'm going in with this Buon Fresco, which is this pinkish purpley shadow right here. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Buon. It's an Italian word, I know that for sure. Like, I'm half Italian, so I know. But what if I'm saying it wrong? So yeah. I'm just gonna take that same brush that I just dipped in and add some of that shadow and place that right next to the shadow that we just placed. And going back into the red ochre here, we're just gonna add that to our outer V. Venetian red again, and create, just to clean it up around where we cleaned with our concealer, because I want that shadow to mainly pop surrounding that part. Okay, so now you guys already know it's lashes time. I'm just taking these Ardell lashes. These are the 251. I get a lot of questions on what lashes I'm using, and these are the, well, this is the pack of lashes that I've been using like constantly. I am obsessed with the wispiness, with the fullness of it. It just makes it look so natural and as if you just got your lashes done. I've never had my lashes done, but I badly want them done. But this will do. If you guys ask how are they so wispy and stuff, well, they usually come like this, but what I like to do is just leave them in here, and before I wear them, I just use a spoolie just to brush them out. I'm going in with the Maybelline, the Colossal Spider Effect Volume Express Mascara. I am obsessed with this mascara just because I have natural long lashes, and this coats them so beautifully. So we're just going to add a small coat of mascara to our top and bottom lashes. Lashes with downturned eyes like mine, so hard. So once our lashes are on, we're just gonna go back into the Modern Renaissance palette and take the Venetian red with just a random brush that I have from, I'm not sure what website this is from, but add that to our lower lash line just to blend it all together. All you gotta do for your eyes. I mean, I know this was a long process, but you guys got it. Míralo. Mira los eyes. Mira los ojos. Is that how I say it? Los ojos They're ojos, but when you like pronounce it, am I supposed to say los ojos? I don't know. And don't forget to spray yourself with your favorite setting spray. Yeah, that's it. That is the completed eye makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up before you guys head out. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, because you guys are definitely showing your girl love. And I just wanna grow. I just wanna grow through this experience with you guys. Comment down below what you guys would like to see next. So next time I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.